Have you ever wondered how you make a mirror? Well, today we're going to find out. First off, we have to know what a mirror is. By definition, a mirror is a reflective surface that reflects light, creating an image. And the way you make a typical mirror, like you would see in your bathroom or something like that, is by taking a piece of glass and applying a thin layer of metal on it. Now, this glass is technically a mirror because it does reflect light, creating an image. You can kind of see it, but it's not very effective. And so to make a mirror that's much more effective, you have to apply a thin layer of metal on the glass in order to get that really nice reflective effect. Now, there's two ways we can apply this metal coating. The first way is a physical vapor deposition using a big chamber like that, but we're not going to use that machine because today we're going to chemically apply silver onto glass, and that's going to give us our mirror, which is the same method that they use to make mirrors like this that you see normally in your bathroom. First thing we have to do is make sure the glass is nice and clean. With everything nice and clean, now we have to apply a layer of tin. The tin is very important because this is what's going to react with the silver, and it's going to help it stick on the glass. I have some mixed up right here. Now we're going to apply it to the glass and let it coat the entire surface. Let that sit for about 30 seconds. Now we're gonna rinse it off with some water. And now we're gonna add the silver. We're gonna pour the silver solution into these little paper cups. We're gonna mix them all together like this. And now we're gonna pour it on the glass and hope that this works. Should start to see it change. You can see it starting to darken a little bit. Looking pretty good so far. Let's go ahead and rinse it off real quick. And that's how you make a mirror. Now I have a lot of artworks planned that are gonna use this technique. So of course, if you wanna see that and everything else that we do here at the studio, then be sure to follow. And as always, thanks for your time.